For example 5, we're going to work through the 4 portions of the example that are circled. Then I'm going to ask you to pause the video, work through the remainder on your own, and then turn the video back on and see how you did. So we have 4 sets that we're going to consider. Set A is the set of all single-digit numbers. So think about all of the digits, for example, on your phone or on a computer keyboard. And then sets B, C, and D contain the numbers as defined. So looking at part B, is set B a proper subset of set A? So set A, this is the large set, okay? This is like our pool of numbers, the set of all single-digit numbers. The question is, using all single-digit numbers, can we create set B, which contains the numbers 4, 6, and 8? So again, if you thought of the digits 0 through 9, like written on a piece of paper and all thrown in a hat, you could pull out the number 4, the number 6, and the number 8 to create a set B. So yes, indeed, this is a proper subset. Going on to question D, is B a proper subset of set D? So again, set D is all of the things we have available. So what we have available is a 6 and an 8. The question is, can I form set B, which contains the numbers 4, 6, and 8, if all I have in the hat to begin with is the number 6 and the number 8? Well, no, I can't. There's no way I can get a 4 if all I had to begin with is a 6 and an 8. Moving on to question F, is C a subset of set C? So remember, that line underneath the bottom means that those sets can indeed be equal. So C is equal to itself. So yes, C is a subset of set C. And then moving on to I, is the empty set a proper subset of set C? So set C contains the numbers 4, 6, 8, and 10. Those are the numbers in the hat. Could I form the empty set using those numbers? Well, yeah, I can. I just choose not to pick any of those numbers. Okay, it's perfectly fine to say, I don't want any of those. So the empty set is always going to be a subset, or indeed a proper subset of any set. So now what I'd like you to do is pause the video, and then I'd like you to work through the remaining questions, answering yes or no, and then when you're done, unpause the video and see how you do. So, how did you do? Now, rather than discuss every one of these through the video, instead what I'm going to ask is if there are any of these, after looking at them, that you don't understand or you don't agree with, please post a question into the forum. This is going to be one of the places where we discuss what's going on. Please respond to each other. If you see somebody questioning why something is or is not a subset or an element or a proper subset, please give it your best shot at describing what's there, and I will be chiming in as well. So head to the forum, post your questions. Thanks.